The APA PsycTherapy Teaching Guide is linked from the APA PsycTherapy homepage. Open this PDF to see materials for instructors. As we can see from the table of contents, Part 1 describes how to use the APA PsycTherapy platform, and Part 3 discusses pedagogical methods, such as the flipped classroom approach and general discussion questions. Most of the teaching guide content is found within Part 2, Applications. Chapters 6 through 14 each describe an instructional setting, such as psychopathology classes or clinical supervision and training. As an example, let's look at Chapter 11, Uses when comparing and contrasting aspects of psychotherapy. Since this teaching guide is a PDF, let's use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+F or Command+F on a Mac to quickly find the text Chapter 11. This chapter, like all the chapters in Part 2 Applications, opens with a recommended exercise, discussion questions, a suggested reading bibliography, and a table that recommends specific APA psychotherapy videos for that content. For Chapter 11, the table shows rows of topics and columns of approaches, allowing your students to compare how different psychotherapy approaches, such as cognitive behavioral or humanistic, would approach the same problem or topic, such as anger or anxiety. This table provides the video title and the control number. You can also search and find a list containing all the videos in Table 11.1. Select to search by list and type in Teaching Guide. Open the list titled Suggested Videos for the Exercises Comparing Approaches to Presenting Problems or Personality Theories. This list title matches the title of the table we were just looking at, and you can see in the description that this corresponds to the PsycTherapy Teaching Guide, Table 11.1. This is a global list, which means the list is automatically included for all APA PsycTherapy subscribers. The search results show other global lists that correspond to other chapters of the teaching guide, such as psychopathology or common problems had by beginning therapists. In summary, using the APA PsycTherapy Teaching Guide is as easy as opening the PDF from the APA PsycTherapy homepage, using the table of contents plus Ctrl+F to navigate to your most relevant content, and opening the corresponding playlist that are provided as part of your APA PsycTherapy subscription. If you would like to learn more about how to access your APA therapy subscription or how to make your own custom links, please see the linked resources in the video description. Thanks for watching. For more search tips and strategies, please see our YouTube channel or visit the APA website.